Olive, don't feed them, Nari. The Olive so steady and steady. This is
why I don't do this kind of stuff. Mom, chill, mom, chill. Mom.
You go now, Nari.
Okay. You. I saw my feet. It disgusting when their tongue touch your hand.
Stop talking now. I video properly. Video so you can see about Nari.
Oh, you have.
And the goat.
Hey, one at a time. Don't put them near me now. No, two at a time can't go. Nari there.
No, me I get a black one here.
Nari, no, give them.
You give him.
No stop talking. No chat too bad for you on video.
No, still left in the man. Ew.
Eric.
Yes, beauty. Don't get ready for me yet. No, and that happens when they come up then till then get ready for me yet. No, like the men.
You think I see him on this?
The men.
I think so. Let me turn around and give you a good view.
Yeah, this is that.
Come here.
This one prettier.
When we're closer. Come here. Why you turn around?
Mommy, you try to wink at me.
You're a model, not true. Not true.
Yeah, sure, I'm gonna show you like I'm also beautiful. So yeah, you're proud like.
Stop minding clothes.
We waste full time looking at this thing.
Turn around. This way. Well,
Can I hamster? That told me my hamsters are not a zoo hamster.
Because inquisitive, I couldn't find some. I said, let me know. So my people just have the funny main tree.
Pipe. Oh my god, these are squirrel monkeys. Nari, is squirrel monkey just twist? You smell like pee-pee. Hi, pony.
No, the pony look like Eeyore.
Inosuke, I'm coming for you, Inosuke. Yes. Yeah, we so come look for the monkey. First, we have to look for Inosuke. Look, Inosuke Hashibera.
Shut it. Don't you see we're looking at Inosuke?
Yeah. Lord Inosuke.
Is he eating the pig?
King of mountains. Bye.
Ew! It smells horrible. You guys smell horrible.
See one more near stuff. The one that look pregnant, man. I can't send it if you big animal.
Look at this dude.
they're all men.
Mango. Nari, wake up. Crocodiles. Look, oh my God, beautiful.
Only one in there.
He's beautiful, or he or she.
This is house.
Look at turtles. Turtles. That's one pretty crocodile.
And those are some turtles.
Got a turtle.
Nothing goldfish.
Yeah, there's the babies.
What am I eat?
Cabbage.
Look for that one here.
Take up your face, Nari.
This is cute. I take this for
The mahop.
Bunnies are hopping. They're hopping.
Look at this dude. Look like he's dead. Hey.
Also, bigger ones there.
Stand up, yes,
Come on, man.